Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered very clearly up to pattern number 39. In today's session, we are going to discuss about pattern number 40. Okay, pattern number 40. What is this pattern? If you see in our previous videos, so we have taken, so how we can able to print the value of these a's like this, and from small a to small e, from capital A to capital E, and some capital E to capital A, and small e to small. Sir, we are talking about, so do you know here we have written from, so A to B in the row wise direction. So I want to print the values in column wise direction. Like I want to print a value here. I want to print a value, then B, then C, then D, then E. Like this, I want to print 5 rows. How we can able to write? Same thing, but in the place of row, you have to change the column. Okay. Like in our previous example, let me take, we have taken from 0 to 4 like this. And in the place of this, I have taken 65, right? So what this particular loop has done, it is generating the values from, so A to E, but they are expecting in the left direction. Okay. So what we have to do, in the place of I, try to take J. It will add column values so that our required output is nothing but satisfied. So from left to right, it is printing the values like a capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E like this. Okay. So this is nothing but how we can able to implement this pattern number 40. I think you got very clear, Clara, right?